How to go to messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can go to messages on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to go to messages on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because you could be using the Instagram app or you could be using from your browser. Now for this, all you have to do is, first of all, when you go to instagram.com, on the left hand side you can see the messages tab from where you can directly access messages. Now in other case, if you're using a mobile device, you'll find the messages icon from the top right, where if you select it, you should be able to go ahead and then basically find the messages option and then DM people in that way. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically go to messages on Instagram, whether you're using a laptop or mobile device. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon with the next video.